where interest rates are heading for the remainder of 2026, with the bigger picture of consumers being in charge of their life as opposed to worrying about what the Federal Reserve is doing. The year, with the anticipation of 2 to 3 cuts from the Federal Reserve on the horizon, we are now halfway through the year and received no cuts. We now have whispers of a potential raise in rates before the end of the year, quite the reversal. Why is that? We went to Venezuela and took Maduro, and we picked a fight with Iran. In short, we disrupted the world's economy and caused inflation to rise again here domestically. The forward forecasting that the Federal Reserve was using to forecast rate cuts in 2026, they're now using to forecast rate hikes, so it's difficult to put any weight or credence into these. I encourage consumers to more or less ignore those. Instead, we can look at the data coming into the year. By the time we got to late February, rates were down as low as they've been in 3 years without the Federal Reserve making a single cut. Rates go up, they go down. The important thing is to make a plan for their life. If you're considering buying in an area that you will call home for at least 3 years, you should buy. The reasons are numerous. Gained appreciation combined with monthly principal paydown through the amortization schedule means you will have equity. Also, your quality of life, it's your home to do with what you please. The big question is, what will happen with rates for the rest of this year? We will likely stay within a similar range to where we are now. We will move up and down a little bit within a quarter-point range, but probably not anything significant should change. The market is already anticipating that we may see one Fed raise towards the end of the year. We'll see if that actually plays out. In the end, we don't plan our lives based on what our neighbor is doing. We plan our lives by taking control of them for ourselves and for our family, with what's important to us. Get a good deal, plan, and make it happen. If you'd like me to help you get started on your plan to put down roots in your area, please text me or reach out in the DMs.